Good afternoon, students. Now we will proceed further. Today we are going to see the basic proportionality theorem, a very important theorem as per your syllabus is concerned, and it is a favorite question of the board setters also. So carefully go through, carefully listen to what I am telling you. Today we are going to learn the basic proportionality theorem. Now this theorem states that suppose there is a triangle ABC. Suppose there is a triangle ABC. We know that there are three sides, AB, BC and AC. Suppose you draw a line parallel to any one of these three sides. Now we have drawn line L parallel to the side BC. Okay. There is a triangle ABC and I have drawn line L parallel to this side BC. Now it is cutting the other two sides. Other two sides means AB and AC. This line which I have drawn parallel to BC is cutting the other two sides AB and AC in these 2 points D and E. I repeat in Hindi. ABC एक ट्रायंगल है और हमने साइड BC के पैरेलल एक लाइन ड्रॉ किया है L सच दैट वो BC को छोड़ के जो बाकी के दो साइड्स हैं ट्रायंगल के दैट इज AB एंड AC उसको दो पॉइंट में कट करता है D एंड E. So this construction is clear of the triangle? Okay. Now the BPT states that if this happens, like suppose if ABC is a triangle such that line L is parallel to BC and it cuts AB and AC in D and E respectively, then AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. That is this. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. फिगर पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो और समझो ये ट्राइंगल है, ये एक साइड है, ये साइड के पैरेलल वी हैव ड्रॉन दिस. नाउ दिस अपॉन दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस अपॉन दिस. सो रिमेंबर इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ द फिगर. दिस इज योर बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थियरम. ओके. नाउ okay students, now we are going to see the proof of basic proportionality theorem from the textbook. Come to page number 7. All of you come to page number 7 of the BPT. Now in this theorem you see the statement, if a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersects the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. In the same proportion means AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon AC. Now see the figure again. This is a triangle ABC. They have drawn a line L parallel to the side BC, which is cutting the other two sides, that is AB and AC, in the points P and Q. So now because the line is parallel, you will get AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC, which means that it is cutting the other two sides in proportion. That is, a ratio of AP upon PB will be equal to ratio of AQ upon QC. Now the proof. Okay. The given is this, that there is a triangle where line L is parallel to BC and line L intersects AB and AC in points P and Q respectively. You have to prove AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. And we will see the proof. For before that you have to draw one construction. Draw sec PC and BQ. You have to join PC and you have to join BQ. Now the proof. See the triangle APQ and PQB. APQ means this bigger one, the top triangle. Okay, the top part of this triangle APQ, and take PQB. PQB. So understood which triangle? This triangle and this triangle. PQB. PQB means this triangle and this triangle. Now in these two triangles, if you see, their bases are along the same line AB. AP इसका base है triangle का, and PB is the base of the other triangle PQB. Both are on the same line and both are having the same common vertex, that is Q. AP Q का भी Q vertex है and PBQ का भी Q vertex है. That means these two triangles whose bases are along the same line and both are having the same vertex, that is Q, that means both the triangles are having the same height. So when we take the ratio of the areas of the triangles whose heights are same, So it is going to be B1 upon B2. So area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to AP upon PB. AP is का base और PB is का base. Why we have taken this? Because areas are proportional to bases. Why the areas are proportional to bases? Because both are having the same height. And why both are having the same height? Because their bases are along the same line and they are having a common vertex Q. Now same way we will take now another triangle, that is like the top one APQ will be there, but now we will take PQC. Now again same, both are having their bases along the same line, that is ये triangle का AQ अभी base लेना है और ये triangle का QC, and both are having the same common vertex P. Again both are having the same height. So area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC is equal to AQ upon QC, again proportional to the bases because the heights are same. Now if you consider now triangle PQB जो डिनोमिनेटर में है PQB और इसके डिनोमिनेटर में PQC, see both of them PQB and PQC. If you see that both the triangles they are having the common base PQ, PQB, PQC, the same base, that is PQ, and both are lying between the same parallel lines. So दो parallel lines के बीच का distance हमेशा same रहता है, that means both are having the same height. So this means that triangle PBQ and triangle PQC are having the same base as well as the same height. So that means their areas must be equal. So if you see the first and second equation, तो दोनों का न्यूमरेटर सेम है, इधर भी ऊपर APQ है, इधर भी ऊपर APQ है, यहाँ पे नीचे PQB है, इधर नीचे PQC है. लेकिन अभी हमने बोला कि दोनों का बेस भी सेम है, दोनों का हाइट भी सेम है, तो दोनों सेम है, तो अल्टीमेटली LHS दोनों इक्वल हो जाता है. ओके, सो फ्रॉम दिस फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड स्टेटमेंट व्हाट वी गेट, AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC because the LHS is equal, the RHS is also equal. Okay, clear? So simply you will write down 1 2 from 1 to 3 we get this equal to this, but APQ upon PQB is equal to area of APQ upon PQC. But what is area of APQ upon QP? It is AP upon PB, and RHS is AQ upon QC. So you get AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC, and this is the BPT that you have to prove. It's a very common proof, बहुत ही simple है. So go through the statement. Now when you are asked in the exam, state and prove the BPT or the basic proportionality theorem. एक चीज़ याद रखो, you are never going to write BPT. You have to always write basic proportionality theorem. Okay, so you have to write the statement as it is given in the book. Then you have to write the given, you have to write to prove, you have to write the construction, you have to write the figure, draw the figure as it is given, and the entire proof as it is, word to word. Okay, so you will be now writing down in your notebook the BPT, and here I will explain you the converse also. Converse is not there for proof, but it will be coming in the application part. Now what do you mean by converse? Converse means just इसका उल्टा. यहाँ पे it is given that they will give you that, suppose they have given that if there is a triangle and such that one line is dividing any two sides in proportion, that is if AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC, then we will say that L is parallel to BC. This is the converse. You don't have the converse, just have to write the statement. So I'll just read the theorem. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. So this is the basic proportionality theorem as well as the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Thank you.